Yeah. Alright.
So you get one pro tip there, guys.
Yeah,
Put your hand underneath and nap on top.
Alright. This is what? Alright. This is one. Alright, fam. So I'm gonna show you my fruit bowl. We're about to eat it now. So, yeah. And here they have a small jelly. A sip. It might be jelly.
What about being jelly, guys? What kind of is that? Keep it cute.
Yeah. And just guava first.
Guys, it's the first time I try guava. Drink artificial guava juice, but not the guava fruit. Alright, guys. Oh, was it true to see them? And top?
You want me to check out that then?
Alright, guys, so we're going to the river. But first we have a shop and then we go to the river.
Yup, so we're about to take you on a tour to the shop. Pick up little things. Don't Chef Ro. Yeah. I got a shop for pick up little things for cook on the riverside. Guys, yeah, we already have the weed. All the vibes. Chef Ro are bad people. You seen with him mash it. Chop up any bush people and dangerous. See people here, see glimpse here. May I show you some sneak peek. See trail here. Yeah. Literally in a rainforest. For free. Good life, you know? Can't take them things for granted. Look for the view, people. Yeah. Whoa. No one drop down there, sir. You see that? See it way over there, sir. There. Alright, guys. So this is the shop. Chef Ro ordered already.
Yeah.
See shop here, guys. Yeah.
Alright. 1450. Alright.
Okay, so we're almost at the river. I don't know if you guys could hear the water, but we're almost there. Before I bust my ass, I'm gonna turn around the camera so you guys can see us approaching the river. Eh? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is crocodile fern right here. Guys, look. I think this is free crocodile fern right here. Alright guys, so we reached down at the bottom now. We're here finally. It was a little walk, but we made it. So right now, Ro is about to cut some wood so we can get started with the cooking. Real wood fire cooking, you know? Alright guys, so I literally had to light a mosquito coil out here before we start cooking because mosquitoes are no joke and I'm their favorite snack, so Pro Talks on their ass. I forgot my stand, but no worries, I'm gonna set it up on a rock, rows across the river. Still looking for some wood so we can get started. See my little thing here? Yeah, I'm gonna go set it now because you see me a scratch. It might kill me out here, guys. Alright. So, see you guys. So, here's a few stuff. So, what we're gonna cook today, I'm just gonna cook a little something. We have a Magnum there, so we get the lids. We have a Maggie's, with oil, plum. Just some egg there in a white bag. We light of the Pro Talks done today and we bowl. So, yeah. Alright guys, so I found me a little seed. Kubeli man, I'm bloating, but it's that time of the month, ladies. My edges, one lock. It's hot here for go out here. Hot. I'm gonna take this off right now so to find a little shade and let the locks thrive. There she is. Y'all sick of me. Alright, so I'm gonna get started and cook up the plant now. Alright. One down. Magnum break. This video is not sponsored by Magnum, but Magnum, if you'd like to sponsor me, if you'd like to sponsor Roké TV, holla at me. First time drinking a Magnum. Where's Granny? It's strong enough. It's strong, people. Where's it at? Outside. I finished cutting up the planting, yeah, man. I'm finished cutting up the planting and then I'm gonna come back on camera to show you when we are cooking the stuff. So stay tuned. People, and see my best friend. And get the fire started. Becoming a real wood fire pro. Wood fire is not easy to light. Don't care who told you what. Worse without gasoline. Well, brother, if you have gas, you're not business, you know. But if you don't have gas and you just try to light it natural, it's kind of hard, it's kind of tricky. Oh, Bestie got it going. So food time soon come. Drop them one by one. Drop them two by two. How people they plant them.
We'll drop them. I don't even have no spark down here.
Alright. If people they plant them are going farmer road, forget to bring fork to it. The plant them going in, yeah? Sizzling. people, the egg are fry. Now watch how the egg look because white people, I don't know. The egg, some of the egg them they drop and crack out, see there. See. So we just throwing some Maggi seasoning. We know about that.
Yeah. Extra salt in there.
Yeah.
And we create that seasoning. A little black pepper, a little salt, and a little all-purpose.
Yeah. Yeah. People also pro tip. Behind it, add a little piece of garlic to your egg. You must name off your finger then. Alright, but I true we not have no garlic right now. But garlic in your egg them mad. Can't say you never learn nothing from we. Alright guys, so we got egg and plantain done, you know?
Yeah. Well, I already start to eat still. I just look at egg and plantain by the riverside and yeah.
We got nothing cool, look at brunch. We are doing laundry while we're doing here. Next time we do a full detail.
Drink some Maggi.
Yeah, it's a real brunch. We got the liquor and the food. But one thing we miss about fine. But I think we can do it now too, the bottomless brunch. So long time I got a bottomless brunch, but we are creating our own bottomless brunch at Riverside. Gang, Magnum. All our vibes, man. People have a green plan to eat. We have the ripe.
I'm going to watch it Natty today.
Yeah.
Well, you have to check out my channel to see that video they do.
Yeah, go check out the channel.
The journey. I'm going to leave the link in the description too.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do a dreadlocks wash to that river.
Yeah.
And update and stuff, you know.
So those of you who have locks or I think about locks like we, tune in man. Tune in. We have to get ear care tips, ear growth tips, everything can me well in them something there. Me help him growing ear in Natty then so pretty and thick.
Yeah, almost 3 years. Next month. No, August I make 3 years.
Yeah, look how the ear long already. And at the front that the back actually longer. Look how you catch him in the back. Yeah. So me I do my ear out from when? My big chop November 2020. November 2020. And me decide for like May 2022. No, what year we in now? Right it.
2022 now.
Yeah, sorry. I decided to lock up May 2021. So I'm a big chop with like an inch, not even, less than an inch of ear from my head. November 2020. Then 5 months later I decided to lock. So this is where we are right now. Out of June 2022. Pretty impressive. So stay tuned. How the food are going?
They're going good, man.
People I want to tell you so we record a video already. We record a video already. We Jesus, I have to go bleep that out. But we do a video. Egg well nice one. I'm sorry freaking mess I didn't cook it. But we do a nice video with cook down cotton burrow and starfish and dumpling and cassava going up on the farm and why people the footage get corrupt. Some people just don't want to see us strive, you know?
Spiritual warfare, you know?
Spiritual warfare going on in Jamaica and you know about that or something like Obian or something that a real thing people, a real thing. People have money, just like people, upside people in America have money for a store. To go shop and them something that people in Jamaica they have money to go obia
money.
Just because them bad mind against you. Just because they don't like you and then say you're good and you have go places they want to hold you down and slow you down. But when I slow down, you know, people, a day after I say me get up with a vibe from me and I say I never even want to do a next video, but the river just give me a vibe and I just wash off all the crosses off of me. I'm glad to me I do it now. So I'm going to see this video. So we are done finish up the egg and whatever. I'm just going to show you the clothes and we'll have pin out.
Yeah.
And give you a little clips. Add up time. Soon come back. Stay tuned. We're going to finish this up. Drink
we're going to do the video. Sorry, we're going to do the video again with the fat and barrow.
Yeah.
And the saltfish. Share it now or yourself, man.
We're going to do it nicer this time too. Maybe we can do it in a coconut milk.
Ah, yeah, even better. Different
Coconut
style,
curry, fat and barrow.
More interesting.
Nicer. Yeah, so people stay tuned for that one. But we soon come back. So stay tuned.